right, guys. I just picked up my package. Well, I just got them. Island shippers. I love them so much. They're on time. I actually was on a couple days, so I wasn't at work, and they held my package for me. And so I'm picked up. I shopped on Shin for this one. So I got myself a shoe and a little romper for my birthday coming up. Guys, you need to check them out. They're great. Customer service up, everything on par. The delivery is fast. You know, yesterday I took my car to the car wash and the guy was asking me, you were talking about shopping online, and he asked where I do my shipping. So I said Kingston. All the way in Kingston. So he was like, oh, you get it. I said they delivered your door. But anyway, I got my package and I'm super happy. You need to try them out, guys. It's easy. You can go online to their website and sign up. You get coupons. Let me tell you about that. You get coupons. I think 3 coupons for the year, and if custom delay your package, if custom delay your package, you get an extra coupon for that. Listen, it's a deal you can't miss. I love them. Customer service, as I said before, is on point. You have to check them out. No joke. I recommended the guy at the car wash for it because I told him everything. I tell him that, listen to me, man, you need fair ship with island shippers. Yeah, get that.